It's a new year, so we're in for another batch of Samsung's Galaxy mobile devices. We could be seeing the new Galaxy Ultra and the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which could feature an all-new chipset, a better camera system, an S Pen slot, and a better hinge. Here are the extra new features leaks we know about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 so far. Let's begin.
Let's rock and roll.
Invincible Crease. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 4 solved most of the problems of the previous folds, such as the battery life, a better camera system, and the like. What still remains unsolved is the glaring crease on the screen. This is a result of the current hinge system that Samsung uses. Unlike other foldable phone brands such as Xiaomi, Motorola, Oppo, etc. that use the water drop hinge system, which helps to reduce the crease on the screen and keep the phone thinner when closed, Samsung currently uses a different hinge system that contains the IPX8 waterproof device, making Samsung's foldable the only ones with waterproof systems. More to that, a trusted source, Ice Universe, has leaked that Samsung even intends to improve the hinges. He states that Samsung Electronics plans to apply the droplet hinge structure to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Samsung internally calls it a dumbbell hinge. Water drop hinge plus waterproof is finally here. How will this new hinge system benefit the Fold 5? First, it will help reduce the screen's crease, making it almost invincible. Secondly, it will make the fold thinner when closed, helping to reduce some extra thickness of the device. Lastly, Fold 5 will be flatter when closed, leaving no space for tiny objects to make their way through the space near the hinges.
Absolutely amazing.
However, the Fold 5 could achieve this lightness and less thickness only if the rumors of a new S Pen slot prove to be false. Stay tuned to know more about the new S Pen holder in the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Improved cameras. The latest Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 news suggests that the device will have a better camera system. Looking at the expensive price tags of Samsung's foldable phones, it is safe to say their camera qualities do not match their price tags. For instance, even though the Fold 4 is more expensive than the S22 Ultra, the S22 Ultra comes with a massive 108 megapixels main camera, 40 megapixels front camera, and an impressive zooming system, while the Galaxy Z Fold 4 can only boast of a 50 megapixels main camera and a 4 megapixels front camera. Rumors, however, suggest that Samsung intends to change this downside and make the Galaxy Z Fold 5 the first of its fold lineups to adopt the camera quality of the S22 Ultra.
You guys will love it, trust me.
This could be a result of a new and better chipset that would power the Fold 5. Stay glued to know more about this as we talk more about the Fold 5's processor later in the video. According to various leaks, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be equipped with a 108 megapixels front camera, which will not only be an improvement for Samsung's foldable phones, but also will help Samsung keep up with the challenge of most foldable brands such as Oppo, Motorola, and Xiaomi. The main camera will be accompanied by a 64 megapixels telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom ability and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera for all your wide-angle shots. Although this rumored 108 megapixels main camera will not be anywhere close to the 200 megapixels camera of the Samsung S23 Ultra, the upgrade from a 50 megapixels to 108 megapixels is a good sign of Samsung trying to match the performance of their foldable phones with their huge price tags. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all major updates about Samsung devices. We will be the first to give you the best Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 review when it is released. Don't forget to smash the bell button as well. S Pen holder. Rumors also have it that Samsung intends to make Galaxy Fold 5 the first Z Fold model to have a built slot for the S Pen. This would be a small but very important inclusion, as it will not only solve one of the downsides of the Galaxy Fold 4, but also will help make the device highly productive.
How interesting.
It will also be a plus for users that use the S Pen for various purposes. Note that the S Pen is compatible with the previous Galaxy Folds, such as the Fold 4 and Fold 3, but you would need to pay extra money to have the S Pen. In addition, there is no dedicated slot for the S Pen in the current Folds. Therefore, having a built-in slot for the S Pen in the Fold 5 will not only make the S Pen handy and easy to carry along, but also will save some extra money that you would need to purchase one. This inclusion, however, comes with a downside. It will make the Fold 5 thicker and heavier due to the new redesign. Gadgets Times further explains.
The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have a profile of 6.5 millimeters, an increase from 6.3 millimeters, and a weight of 275 grams, which is an increase from 263. Because it now includes a holster for the S Pen, the dimensions and weight of the case have increased somewhat.
This is still a rumor, as there's not been any official word from Samsung about an S Pen slot. We'll have to wait till the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 release date to know how true this is. Processor. This is where the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 gets more interesting. There have been two different reports about the type of processor that will power the Fold 5. One group of reporters, such as the South Korean publication ET News, has reported that the Galaxy Fold 5 will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, while others also believe the device will have a whole new processor named the Qualcomm Snapdragon 985 5G. If truly Samsung intends to use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in the Z Fold 5, it will not be much of a surprise, as there has already been news of Samsung planning to power the Galaxy S23 Ultra with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This could suggest that Samsung intends to use the chipset in its 2023 lineups of phones. It will only be a surprise if the Galaxy Z Fold 5 comes with the rumored Qualcomm Snapdragon 985 5G, which is yet to be heard of or used in any Samsung device. However, some leaks suggest it is the only chipset that has so far been used in the test version of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Why would Samsung test the Z Fold 5 with a new chipset if they're not planning to use it?
What's the secret?
Could it be the surprise feature that Samsung intends to use in the Fold 5? Let us know what you think about this in the comments section. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to be released in the second part of 2023 together with the Samsung Galaxy S23. But will the wait for the S23 Ultra even be worth it? The next video answers this question. Click on the link to watch it and do well to share it with your friends as well. See you next time.